10 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 7. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Nobleza.
Cyril yan, Cyril. Manuel.
Pass 2. 2 points. Good ball. Bongo. Pass to number 27. Pass to number 14. 10 seconds to shoot, taking 3. No good. Leave it by.
Cyril.
Cyril. 3-meter shot, 2 points by Cyril.
Cyril Manuel.
Pass to number 27. 2 points by number 27.
Arroyo.
Arroyo. Opina, taking 3. No good. Rebound by number 17. Ay, 14 pala. 2 points.
Ingo. Number 4.
Score, 0-4. 2 points by Ingo. 15 seconds to shoot. Taking perimeter shot. No good. Pass to number 6. To Conor Gray. Pass to number 14. No good. Rebound by Nobleza. Nobleza.
Prince.
2 points by Prince. 2-point lead by Team Papaus. 8 minutes and 10. No good. Rebound by out of bounds. Papaus ball. Good ball. No good. Rebound by Prince. Pass to Nobleza, taking 3. No good. Rebound by Prince. No good again. Rebound niya ulit. Taking 3. No good pa din. 20 seconds to shoot. Yun. No good.
Wabak. Nakita. Nakita. Wow.
Wow.
First team pa.
Bobo. Taking 3. No good. Rebound by Nobleza. Nobleza. Out of bounds.
6-4. 6-4. May game pa kaya, bro? Next game.
Sige, sige. Steal by Arroyo. Pero nakuha pa rin Nobleza. Elbow. Hindi, nag-inom lang. Soft drinks. Soft drinks lang daw sila. Ingo. Pasu. Tilar. No good. Rebound by Damasco. 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 Damasco pa rin. Dire-diretso. No good. Rebound by Ingo. 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 Pasu. Kapatid. No good. Rebound by Ingo pa rin. Ingo. Wala pa rin. Rebound ni Kuya. Block by Prince. Paul sa pansitan. 15 seconds to shoot. Tilag. Taking 3. No good. Rebound by Nobleza. Nobleza.
6 minutes 20.
6 minutes and 20. Nobleza. Nobleza pa rin. 2 points. Mark Nobleza. 8-4 in favor of
15.
Team Papawi. 2 points. Tilag. 8-6. Jerome, 2 points. Jerome Damasco. 10-6. 4-point lead by Team Papawi. Steal by Manuel. Manuel, intercepted kaya? Intercepted by Bogo. Pass to the feed. Ingo pa rin. Ingo. Pass to Tilar. Tilar, ginawa ng paraan. No good. Rebound by Prince. take it, three, Marno Blesa.
Last shot.
Last possession before change. Last possession. Arroyo. Ang ganda pa sa Ingo. Change court po tayo. Change court. Basket by Ingo. Assist by Arroyo. Score 13-8 in favor of Team Papawis. 13-8 in favor of Team Papawis. Isa, no problem. Libre naman sa press. No good. Rico pa Ingo. Ingo nagmamadali na. Ingo pa rin. Double crosser. Ingo! Also boys. David. Ingo! Diose, drill. No good. Di mo pa Arroyo. Crossover move. Arroyo pa rin. Arroyo. Ang ganda pa sa Tilar. 2 points. Tilar. Isa na lang po palabangan ng Team Babawis. Prince Ese. Grabe si Prince. Kondisyon. 16-12. 15 seconds shot clock. Step up. Ruel Ingo, David Ray. Nugget. Ray Mabay. David pa rin. Pass to Arroyo. Short number ni Arroyo. 2 points. Arroyo. 16-14. 2-point lead by Team Papawis. Dioselo 2. Out of bounds.
Laging time. 2 minutes.
Good ball yan. Kuya David pa rin. Pass to Arroyo. Spin move. Arroyo. 2 points. Arroyo. Deadlock all 16. Jerome, one undershot. Rimo by Ingo. Ito na lahat kaya ng team, magkakaisang panalo. Malalaman natin yan. To Ruel. Change play muna po tayo. Isa lang to. 3 minutes and 21, 18, 16. Isang quarter lang yan. 3! Marno Blesa. Hindi ka na bigyan. 1.8 by Team Papawis. Hindi ka na bigyan. Hindi nakita ko kasi. Binawi, no good. Hindi mo ba isa yun? Sorry to, hindi ka na bigyan. Nakikita kasi ako eh. Nadulas. Sayang. Jerome, one undershot. No good. Rima by Ruel. Ruel ang sipag yan. Ruel. Steal by Opina binabanay ni Boko. Opina. Foul. Tinampas ni Boko.
14 seconds.
14 seconds to shoot. 2 minutes and 31, 19-18. Isa lang ang lamang ng Team Papawis. 19-18. Noblesa, ito na. Nakatutok na sa'yo. Wala na. Di mo may Boko. Ball is still by Cyril. 2 points, Cyril. Manuel. 21-18. Spin move, Arroyo. To Tilar. Nagawa ng paraan. 2 points, Tilar. Isa lang po ang kalamangan ng Team Papawis. Damasco. Libre shot ni Damasco. 2 points. Jerome. Damasco. 3-point lead. 23-20. Ari play to Arroyo. Kumapit to Pectus.
1 point lead.
23-22. Last 2 minutes. 3! Kenneth Opina. 26-22. Lamang ng 4.
15.
Boko libre sa 3. No good. Noblesa, hindi nakita ang kape. Noblesa, nais nila ni Ruel. Ingo, ang bilis. Rimo kay Cyril. Sayang yun. 1 minute 17. Damasco, short jumper. 2 points. Jerome Damasco.
1 minute exactly.
1 minute exactly. 1 minute 5 pala. Tilar, out of bounds. Nailang sa laki. Good ball. 2 points, Jerome Damasco. 8-point lead. Tilang, no good. 42 seconds. Daydream, no good. Rebound by Arroyo. Arroyo pa rin. 39 seconds. Arroyo wala. Rebound by Ingo. 2 points. Tabi, Ingo. Shot lock off. 30-24. Jerome, pick. Jerome. 6 seconds, shoot 2 points. End of the second game with the score of 32-24. Panalo ang Team Babawis. Andiyan na ba sila? Team ba? Wala pa. Wala pa sila. Pahinga muna. Ang ganda laban. Team Ingo, kayo pa rin. Team Ingo, kayo pa rin. Nantayin lang natin yung Team Ba bumalik.
Wala namang stats.